Hindi ko alam kasi, speechless kasi ako, hindi ko alam ang sabihin ko.
Ang yummy mo.
Aha! Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Pero kung ano yung napanood nyo, ano pa lang yan, naka-fast cut yun. So, kapag napanood natin yun sa Prime, mas kumpleto, mas ramdam natin yung bawat eksena.
Okay.
Hindi kung mapapansin nyo, medyo mabilis lahat yung putol.
Pero we like it. I like the pacing. Perfect na
Talaga?
perfect. Yes!
Thank you.
Oo. Walang hingahan.
Oo nga eh.
Yun ang gusto natin. Yun ang mapapanood nyo sa Prime, di ba?
Nagsimula kami ni Ivana nakaupo, yung ending nakaganon na kami sa window.
I'm sure, Ivana, what do you want to say?
Maganda. Sobrang ganda. Actually, kanina habang pinapanood ko, sabi ko, grabe, parang pelikula. First episode pa lang ng Love is Never Gone, ang dating niya ay talagang parang movie, parang kang nanood. Ganon siya kapuno. It's full of action. Ang daming mapapanood. Para siyang, di ba?
Totoo.
Una.
Yeah.
At simula pa lang yun. That's just, we're just getting started, di ba?
Yeah.
I'm sure
Ang ganda nung umpisa namin, yung opening scene
Yes,
namin.
nagulat ako.
Oo.
Tapos para kaming, hindi kami makahinga. Tapos yung ihi ko, hinihilang ko from start to end. Kasi hindi ayoko umalis.
Ivana, nung patapos na yung pinanood namin, hindi rin kami nakahinga, ha?
Ayun na nga.
Same!
Ah, grabe!
Okay.
Nakita niyo yung bibig niya, di ba?
Ha?
Yun ang sinasabi ko.
Ano ba yung bibig niya? Hindi mo na ma-elaborate.
Yes. Makikita niyo na lang sa Love is Never Gone.
Yun na. Kaya download the app now. If you still don't have the Prime Video app, go ahead. Because like I said kanina, Love is Never Gone will be shown exclusively at the Prime Video app. Okay. First question kay Direk Jojo and kay Ai Tamayo, our creative manager. At siguro
Nung sinabi yung kwento na it's action, love, sabi ko, yes. Tapos isushoot daw sa abroad. Ay, bongga. First time ko kasi yun eh. Tapos sinabi direct Manny, ay, natakot ako.
Tsaka ang ganda ng character mo.
Oo, sobra.
Gusto ko yun, yung parang-
Sarap. Kasi parang,
Ang dami mong karakter.
diba, ginagawa ko lang siya dati sa vlog.
Disguise.
Tapos ngayon, nakita ko na siya. Mahirap pala pag itong series.
Oo, galing. Okay, next question ni Patrick is for Ivana. What was your inspiration coming onto the set in terms of your approach in acting? So, siguro, Patrick is curious kung meron ka bang parang pinag-aralan?
Ako ba yan? Sa akin
No,
ba
si
yan?
Ivana.
Okay. Kung meron ka daw pinag-aralan, like ano ba yung naging preparation mo? Tama?
Ay!
Are you
May-
interpreting what I
Yes,
said?
yes.
Yes.
Kailangan pala ng
Hindi talaga,
interpreter.
ganyan
Okay.
siya ka-Jenny Rose.
Okay.
Ganyan! Hindi, first scene ko kasi French. Hindi ako marunong mag-French, hindi nga ako marunong mag-Arabic kasi nag-aral kami sa British school. French, tapos si Direk Manny, syempre natatakot ako kay Direk. Inaaral ko sa hotel, mga 3 araw. Je
m'appelle, Ivana. Parang ganyan.
So, inaaral ko talaga kasi ayoko talagang mapagalitan on my first day.
Tama.
Yes.
You have to deliver, di ba?
It's very hard kasi iba-ibang character ang kailangan ko ipakita.
So multilingual ka dito.
Oo.
Nag-French ka.
Arabic, Spanish, English, everything.
Wow! Iba din naman.
Japanese.
May Japanese din?
Yes.
Lahat talaga. Multilingual. Thank you, Ivana. The next set of questions galing naman kay Jelly Grace, ang ating TikTok content creator, to Joshua and Jane coming from your PBB days. Actually, nag-service yung clips nyo nakikita ko online. Where many rooted for you, for your pairing. How was it collaborating again? And what personal or professional growth have you noticed in one another?
Naks. Hindi, ano ba? This isn't the first time naman nagka-work kami after BBB, pero it's been a while. First time in a long time.
Ito yung first na mahaba natin.
Yes, yes. Kasi dun sa nakaraan yung sa movie, medyo bitin ako eh. Nabitin ako. Nakadalawang araw lang ako doon.
Hindi, meron na tayong una. Saan ka na kailangan kita?
Oo, kasama siya.
O sige na nga. After
After
that.
ng mahabang panahon, nagkaroon tayo ng
Yes.
sarili buhay. Ito ulit yung parang...
So maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak.
Uy, wala kayo sa PBB house. Pero sarap ng kwentuhan niya. Nakikinig lang kami. Go ahead.
But me, masaya ako na si Jane ay kasama ko dito. Alam mo yun, kasi nakakatuwa din na ma-reunite ka dun sa mga dating ka-housemate mo, di ba, sa
Tama.
PBB. And then, sobrang comfortable na sa isa't isa. I don't know why.
Bakit ka ba?
Eh kasi, marami nang pinagdaanan. Parang si Lara Jean at si
Saya.
Teo, marami na silang
So,
pinagdaanan.
ano masasabi ko, perfect din yung character natin.
Oo.
No? Yeah.
From that PBB tandem to another PBB tandem. Let's go to JM.
Naman!
Yes!
JM and Fiang.
Atake!
Atake. Ang question ni Chedi is, how does
Galing mo dun.
how does it feel to step into a major series and share the screen with highly acclaimed performers? Can you talk about what you've learned from working with these actors?
And hindi ako kasi, no, kami, honestly, ni Fiang, una pa lang, ang nasa mata na namin is yung mga knowledge na ma-adapt namin. Working with these veteran actors, kahit sila Direk Manny, sila Direk Jojo. Doon kami nakafocus eh. Siyempre, mas nangingibabaw yung pressure, yung kaba, kasi first time namin ganitong klase ng series, ng project. And siguro, hindi na lang kami nagpapatalo sa pressure, sa kaba na people namin. Siguro, mas nakafocus kami sa maa-adapt namin sa project na to, sa matututunan
Matututunan
namin
nyo,
after
tama.
gawin tong project na to.
Agree.
At ikaw, anong masasabi mo?
Ganda! Ganda na! Ako... of course, ito yung first series with JM then and kasama yung mga veteran actors, actresses. Grabe. Tsaka nung time na nag-storycon pa lang kami, grabe na yung kaba namin dalawa. Kasi nga first, hanggang ngayon na patapos na yung series na to, sobrang grabe pa din yung kaba namin. Kasi, syempre kailangan namin aralin kung ano yung roles namin.
Tama?
And then, of course, yung mga co-actors naman namin, sobrang generous nila. And pagka kunwari nahihirapan ka din talaga sa eksena mo, pagka nadidrain ka na, very generous lahat ng mga kasama namin dito.
Oo, parang dapat parang sponge ka lang dyan. Absorb ka lang ng absorb.
Yes!
Because Fiang, JM, you're working with Dina Bonnevie,
Yes!
Michael Canessa,
Hi, Mom!
Eric Kizon, and Aramina. Grabe. Let's hear from them. Okay, Michael, how was it working with these young actors and doing Love Is Never Gone?
Oh my, this is one of the experiences I've had that will really remain in my heart. Kasi I really enjoyed this set. It's my first time to work with Direk Manny, Direk Jojo. I've worked with Josh, but I've worked with Jane. But this is the first time na mas matagal yung pagsasama namin ni Josh at saka ni Jane. First time with Ivana. First time with Ara also, with Epi, we've done something before. And of course, the newcomers, like sila Jameson, si Fiang, at saka si JM. Una-una, yung character ko, I really enjoyed playing him. He really grew on me na every time na may taping kami, sobrang excited ako, looking forward sa mga eksena. Because Divino is really a very, how should I put it? He's a colorful character. He's very complex. Ang dami-dami niyang pinagdaanan at ang dami-dami niyang pinagdadaanan. And of course, like I said kanina, dun sa the making, he has his own little secrets. I'd like to congratulate Josh, Ivana for a wonderful job based on the first episode. I did not expect that it would come out this way. I worked with Josh in It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and then watching him here, masasabi ko talaga isa siyang ganap na artista kasi two different characters. Two completely different characters na talagang nagmarka. Yung difference from this to, from It's Okay to this. And then Ivana, what a revelation. Hindi ko siya in-expect. And I also want to give a special mention to, I told her this na for a newcomer, she really has something to offer. And I believe that she will be one of our future best actresses, si Fiang.
Wow!
Magaling siya. She knows her job. She knows her character. Basta, yun, magaling siya. In general, magaling siya. And she, like I said, she has the potential to be a really, really great actor.
Wow. Thank you, Kim Michael. We want to hear from Miss Dina Bonnevie.